That's good, eh? Yeah. Oh, I like that.
Oh, this is nice. Surprise! Whoa, what a surprise!
How are you doing? Good, how are you?
Good, how was your drive?
Say
Very
thank
good.
you, sunshine. Oh, thank you so much.
That's why we had to take her.
Me a ticket. What? Yes, she did. Yep. Oh. You guys are crazy.
It's a lot of trouble keeping this a surprise.
Oh my goodness. Happy belated birthday yourself. I know. It's been traumatic. Trust me.
That's why we had to stop off at IGA. That's why I was like, because we were driving and Cody's like, so should we go straight to the hotel? I'm like, yeah, straight to the hotel. I feel like crap. And then I get a call from Mike and he's like, you got a detour. You got a detour. I mean, straight to the IGA. I need a decongestant.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my God. Can I have the key for the other day? Cody's down here.
Crazy.
Oh, can you believe it?
That was great. Did you guys get all that? Oh my goodness. At first I thought I was seeing a hallucination.
I don't have all of the names.
Oh my goodness. Oh, can you believe it? Oh, crazy. Oh, I can't even believe these kids.
We need somewhere to bring our stuff either.
Oh, yes,
Bring it up.
I do. Pretty nice. No kidding. Pretty nice. Oh, honey, you're crazy.
And you wanted to get your hair done.
No, you wanted to go to Vancouver Island. Come on.
Well, my choice was either Whistler by myself
Don't, Jake, don't.
or Vancouver Island. And I thought, I'm not even going to take John.
I'm going to take Katie to the other room so that they can bring up the stuff.
Oh my God. What's that?
I'm going to take Katie over to the other room so that
We can bring up our stuff.
and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we have to go back to the car too. I'm just racing up here and leave you guys.
Thank you so much. Oh my goodness.
Oh
That is crazy. I can't believe they've done this.
That was
Hey, E, how you doing, babe?
Good.
Oh, good. Good to see you, honey. Ah. Whoa, that was shocking. You're so good at that. Oh, that was crazy.
Oh my God.
Whoa.
Oh my
I gotta
God.
use the bathroom. Be right back.
Go ahead. It's a beautiful bathroom.
Whoa, this is something.
I'm staying in here.
Are you? Awesome. Oh,
Just gonna be so fun.
oh, no kidding.
It's gonna be so much fun. Go to the bathroom.